Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ari Andika Yuwono. Today I will present my research. The title is Numerical Study to Improve Fluid Flow Patterns in HRSG by using a turning fin and a combination of using a turning fin with transition zone geometry modification. Block 1 Morakarang Compensator Power Plant. Block 1 Morakarang Compensator Power Plant began commercial operation in 1992 for gas turbine and in 1995 for steam turbine. Block 1 Morakarang Compensator Power Plant consists of 3 gas turbines, where the capacity of a gas turbine is 107 MW, 3 heat recovery steam generator, a steam turbine with a capacity of 185 MW. Block 1 Morakarang Compensator Power Plant supplies the 150 kV system serving the Jakarta area, the capital of Indonesia. Problem statement. HRSG steam production decreased by 6.34% during operation from 1995 to until 2018. Exhaust gas outlet temperature of LP economizer increased 40.86 degrees Celsius. From the above, it can be concluded that there is a decline in HRSG performance. From scene research at 2012, adding corner angle will able to improve the flow distribution and heat absorption of HRSG. From Deber's research 2006, installing a turning fin will be able to improve the flow distribution. So, by utilizing the research, there is a possibility the Block 1 Morakarang HRSG performance will be able to be improved. HRSG dimension. This is inlet. The length is 3.35 meter. This is ducting. The length is 53.06 meter. This is length of heat exchanger, 16.2 meter. This is width of heat exchanger, 7.05 meter. This is stack height from bottom, 44.04 meter. This is stack diameter, 5.4 meter. The composition of heat exchanger in HRSG start from HP separator 2, HP separator 1, HP evaporator, LP separator, HP economizer, LP evaporator, and LP economizer. From table 2, the largest number of tubes is in HP evaporator, 1,322. The largest diameter is in LP separator, 38 millimeter. The heat absorption of heat exchanger in HRSG is calculated based on available data, based on auxiliary flow. Losses are the losses. These are the difference between the flue gas energy that enters and leaves the HRSG minus the total absorption of energy in the heat exchanger. Porosity 1 per alpha, C2, and the factor used in the porous media. This research used porous media to model the pressure drop in heat exchanger. Inlet is modeled as mass flow inlet. This is turning fin. This is curved vane. The outlet is modeled as pressure outlet. This is transition zone. The heat exchanger is modeled as porous media. This is north, this is south, this is west wall, and this is east wall. The composition of flue gas enter HRSG consists of oxygen, carbon dioxide, H2O, and nitrogens. There are three cases to be studied. The simulation will be carried when the gas turbine load is 99.6 megawatt. The first case as reference has a 6-degree corner angle and 18-degree bottom angle. The case 2 install turning fin and curve bank. And the case 3 change corner angle from 6 to 12 degree and install turning fin in the curve band. Heat exchanger modeling. Porous media is used to model pressure drop on flue gas side in heat exchanger. Requires some pressure and flow rate data to get permeability and inertial resistance coefficient. The transfer between flue gas and auxiliary flow is modeled by ungrouped macro heat exchanger. We use NTU model and constant inlet temperature option. NTU model needs heat absorption by heat exchanger as reference. With the NTU model and constant inlet temperature option, the CFD software will calculate heat absorption by heat exchanger. We use model with 2,986,162 mass. Based on figure 4, the secondary flow at corner gradually decrease when the case 1 compared to case 2 and case 3. Based on figure 5, the heat absorption area in superheater 2 and 1, in case 1, case 2, and case 3 look same or identical, but in figures 6 and 7, in the west wall and the close to east wall, the heat absorption in case 2 and case 3 is wider than case 1, seen with the wider right. Installing a one turning fan in the existing model able to expand the superheater energy absorption area. Change corner angle from 6 to 12 degree and install a turning fan can produce wider area of heat absorption. Distribution of velocity based on figure 8. The addition of turning fan on the curve band side can reduce secondary flow at the bottom. See case 2 and case 1. When combined, the addition of cornering angle, it can reduce the secondary flow in the transition zone, especially in the corner angle in case 3. In transition zone inlet, case 3 has more even velocity distribution marked in green color, which is wider than case 2 and case 1. Based on figure 9, the velocity distribution in case 3 is more uniform than case 1. We can see the yellow color is more wider than case 1, even though in the case 3 there is a red color wider than case 1. The most uniform velocity distribution is in the case 2. So adding a turning fin makes the velocity distribution in inlet back pressure superheater 2 more uniform. Gas temperature, heat absorption, and auxiliary outlet temperature. From table 1, case 1 shows that the flue gas temperature when entering back pressure superheater 2 was lower than case 2 and case 3. Secondary flow causes the temperature of flue gas to decrease. The lowest flue gas temperature leave HRSG is in case 3, 369.98 Kelvin. Based on table 6, not all auxiliary temperature coming out of every heat exchanger in case 2 and case 3 were greater than case 1. It shows that not all heat exchanger has increased heat absorption. For example, in low pressure economizer, temperature auxiliary outlet from LP economizer is in case 1 is greater than case 2 and case 3. Based on table 7, not all heat absorption in every heat exchanger in case 2 and case 3 were greater than case 1, but the largest energy absorption is in heat exchanger case 3. Energy absorption was 193,134.5 kilowatt. Pressure drop, heat absorption, and carbon dioxide emission. From figure 10, case 1, case 2, and case 3 respectively produce a relatively equal pressure drop. The biggest pressure drop in HRSG occurred in case 3, 1,339.49 Pascal. From figure 11, in case 2, when only adding the turning fin, there is a decrease in pressure drop in ducting. 0.29 Pascal for the pressure drop is relatively the same as the case 1. Figure 11, modifying a corner angle from 6 to 12 degrees and installing one turning fin in case 3 resulted in an increase in ducting pressure drop 5.36 Pascal compared to the existing model case 1. Pressure drop in ducting in case 3 is 73.94 Pascal. The resulting increase in pressure drop is not significant. Based on figure 12, the difference heat absorption in heat exchanger between case 3 and case 1 as reference is 153.1 kilowatt. Assuming that the capacity factor power plant for 1 GT is 100 for a year, carbon dioxide emission reduction based on equation and table 8 is 270.8 tons CO2 per year. Summary: porous media model and heat exchanger model are able to model the heat absorption of the flue gas to the auxiliary flow in the heat exchanger. The study proved that the porous media model is able to describe heat transfer in heat exchanger and is able to describe feed flow behavior in heat exchangers. The most even distribution of velocity and temperature in the SP superator inlet is obtained by placing the turning fin in the curved band. Adding a corner angle and installing a turning fin can improve heat absorption efficiency in the heat exchanger. An increase in heat absorption is 0.08% and a decrease in exhaust gas outlet temperature of LP economizer temperature by 0.04% compared to the existing model. Thank you.